Okay, I'm going to show you how to clean these today. I'm not going to clean it, but I'm going to just go over the basics. There's a little switch here. You flip that switch, the top will pop up. Okay? Usually it's full of hair. You want to grab the whole lid and pull lightly. It'll come off. Set that down. Take this. This switch on the back will open up the other piece. Pull it down. Run it under the water. Shake it until you get most of that hair out of there. Run the water all down in there and under there. Close it. Set it aside. Take the head. It's going to be full of hair. Run it under the water. Put some soap on it. Dish liquid. Get it real sudsy. Keep doing that for a while. Run it under the water. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Get all that hair out of there. Now you're going to want to open this up. Take out the blades, the foils, and the frame. This is already in a locked position. The arrows on there, pointing in one direction, that's to lock it. And we're going to go the other way, open it. It should fall all out. There it is. It's all out. This, you need to run it under the water. Soap it up real good. Run it under there. Get all the hair out of here. And the face butter. I'll discuss to you what about face butter, what it is. It's clean. Clean it up. If you can keep these blades to its foil, try to keep them together. If not, it's okay. But now you want to take these blades, take a little brush, brush all the hair out of them. Get all the hair out, look at it, you see any hair, brush it out, try to get it out of there. And if you can't get it out, take a pair of tweezers. Get in there and get that hair out of there. Set these aside, let them dry after you clean them. Be careful, do not bend these. That's the blades. They're like a jagger. They stick to you, so be careful. Don't bend them. Now you go after the foils. You clean the foils up the same way. Brush, soap, and everything. Rinse them. You got these two little pieces that stick out. Just grab them, hold them up to the light. If you can see through the foil, then it's clean. Set it aside. Do it with the other two too. Look through there. If you can see through, it's clean. Set them all aside. Now, what you're going to do is clean this piece. Make sure it's all clean, soaped up, cleaned, dry. Make sure everything's dry. Now you're going to put it back together. This is the tricky part. Now this, we'll call it the top piece, the head. When it goes like this, and you hear that, it's all clean. It's all ready to go. It's done. It's dry. Take it. Let it there. Now you take your foils. You put the blade down inside the foil. Make sure it's down in there. Take another one. Same thing. Sometimes they're tricky to get in there, but don't force anything. You're not going to get this the first time. It's going to be rough. It's so delicate. Grab it. Put it down in there. Now, here's the trick. These two little tabs on the side, they go down inside the foil here. Down inside this frame. One end there, one end there. To get it in there, you could drop it in there, just like that. Push on it, look at it, see how it comes over the top? It's in there. Sometimes you're not going to be able to drop it right in there. That's the hard part. Sometimes I'll put it there, put a finger in there, and then slowly place it down in there. Same with this next one. Sometimes they're not all going to go in there right. You'll get frustrated. You'll flip this over, probably throw it against the wall. It's hard. Put it in there. Everything's clean. Now you take this, hold it firmly. Now take your brace here. This is the tricky part. You got to put this back in there. Each one of these circles goes over the top of your blade, so you can position it to where it's like that. Now it's down in there. Now you're going to look at the arrow. and turn it the way it is. If this is sitting straight, you're going to hear a snap. That means you locked it in. It's locked in. You know why? Look. If it goes like this, it's properly cleaned. It's freely moving in there. You can go. It ain't coming out. It's all clean, dry. Now you're going to take it, put it back inside the razor. There's a little tab there. You got to push in. There you have it. Good to go. Everything's dry, looks clean. Now when it goes like this, you can push on it like that and those move in and out. It's clean good. You've done it right. Turn it on. It's good. It's good to go. You cleaned it. If you don't want to do that, you mail it out to me. In the next one, we'll discuss face butter. Yeah, that's the bad part. You flip this open, you look in there, and you see all this jelly-looking stuff. You don't want to clean it. You close the lid, and you mail it to me. I'll have the address to mail it to in the next video. But that's how you clean these.